going to make tasty pork meat recipe. Putting here mustard oil, first foreign, adding here mustard oil. Now mixing it. I'll add this with the meat, red chili and bay leaf, garlic ginger, little bit more onion, little of potato, salt, turmeric powder, and saute it. This is the meat. Add here salt, turmeric powder, and mixing it. Now add the meat. Frying it for 10 minutes. Add your black pepper. Adding here coriander powder, cumin powder, Sahi biryani spice, and red chili powder. Add this here. Now I am adding the banana flour. Now mixing it. Soya sauce and cook it for 2-3 minutes. Sprinkle some water. Few onions. Adding this here. Keep pot fried well. Now I'll add here water and cook it for some time. Delicious color coming out. Beef chalpage, green chili. Delicious bark meat recipe being ready. Ready for serving. So tasty and delicious recipe. Super tasty. Serving it. Have with it rice. So delicious. Now end up with this recipe. Come again with another delicious recipe.